Today we will be demonstrating how to replace the lower mirror glass on the next GenTowing mirror. Tools required are a flat screwdriver. Begin by gently prying the bottom two tags to release the actuator and move the glass forward once released. Locate the replacement glass and gently reaffix it onto the actuator. If your mirrors contain the heat feature, you will need to reconnect the heat wiring whilst fitting the glass.
Thank you for watching and enjoy your Clearview towing mirrors.